Coral reefs are incredibly important to marine ecosystems and human communities. Here are some key reasons why. Ecological importance. First, coral reefs are biodiversity hotspots. They support about 25% of all marine species. They provide habitat and shelter for many marine organisms, including fish, mollusks, worms, crustaceans, and sponges. Second, many marine species use coral reefs as breeding and nursery grounds. This includes commercially important fish species, which begin their lives in the safety of the reef before migrating to the open ocean. Third, coral reefs are a critical part of the marine food chain, providing food for various species, from small fish to larger predators. And finally, they offer protection for smaller fish from predators due to their complex structures. Environmental importance. First, coral reefs act as natural barriers that protect shorelines from the impact of waves, storms, and erosion. This helps prevent loss of life, property damage, and coastal erosion. Second, coral reefs play a crucial role in the carbon and nitrogen cycles. They help in fixing carbon and nitrogen, which supports the productivity of marine ecosystems. And finally, reefs help improve water quality by filtering water, trapping sediments, and recycling nutrients. Economic importance. Coral reefs are vital for the fishing industry, providing habitats for fish that are essential for commercial and subsistence fishing. Coral reefs attract millions of tourists each year for activities like diving, snorkeling, and fishing. This tourism generates significant revenue for local economies. Many marine organisms found in coral reefs are being researched for their potential in medicine, including treatments for cancer, HIV, and bacterial infections. Cultural importance. For many coastal communities, coral reefs are integral to their cultural heritage and identity. They provide a source of food, materials, and traditional medicines. Coral reefs are valued for their beauty and the recreational opportunities they offer, contributing to the well-being and enjoyment of people. Conservation challenges. Coral reefs are highly sensitive to changes in temperature, and global warming is causing coral bleaching and reef degradation. Runoff from agriculture, sewage, and oil spills can damage coral reefs. Unsustainable fishing practices can deplete reef species and damage the reef structure. Construction and land reclamation can lead to habitat destruction and increased sedimentation on reefs. Coral reefs are vital to the health of the marine environment and human economies. Protecting and conserving these ecosystems is essential to maintaining the biodiversity, coastal protection, and resources they provide.